Igbo Area TV on Igbo.
Hello, great people. Finally, Ohanaeze Igbo, new president, emerges. Nyanwodo has packed and gone. Let's get the cocoa of the matter. Meanwhile, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and let's go there. Ohanaeze Igbo has elected new president, and he is not the alleged Miyetti Allah candidate who collapsed during the build-up towards the main election. Professor, a lot of people allege was a Miyetti Allah's candidate. You know, he collapsed. I think he wasn't the one. So, a former commissioner in Imo State, Engineer Chidi Ibe, has emerged factional president general of Ohanaeze Igbo. Ibe is a holder of National Award, member of the Federal Republic, MFR. You know that award this popular writer, Chino Achebe, rejected because Obasanjo was destroying Anambra, yet giving awards. So he was a holder of that award. And he emerged during a parallel election organized by the Prince Richard Ozobu-led election committee. This Ozobu is not the Ozobu that collapsed, so the Miyetti Allah candidate is another Ozobu. So also elected were Dim Uche Okuku, Deputy President General. Okuku is from Rivers State, and he's the incumbent Secretary General of the Apex Igbo Social-Cultural Organization, that's Ohanaeze. So until his election, he was the Secretary General. But did you get that? Okuku is from Rivers State and is a deputy of Ohanaeze, deputy president of Ohanaeze. Meanwhile, though Ohanaeze Igbo looks to have lost part of its credibility before most Igbo, I am still happy to hear someone from Rivers State is second in command in Ohanaeze. In fact, he was until this election the Secretary General of the organization. That is a good development. Rivers Igbo are gradually dealing with that identity crisis that has plagued Igbos of the coastal land or the coastal region. Meanwhile, Mazi Okechukwu Isiguzoro from Abia State was elected Secretary General. All of you know Mazi Okechukwu Isiguzoro. He was the leader of the Ohanaeze Youth Council. You know, the Ohanaeze Youth Council that doesn't consult with elders. You know, he has been suspended, and there was a time the elder Ohanaeze suspended the youth Ohanaeze, though the youth Ohanaeze refused to disband or even nullified it. They were suspended because on several occasions they didn't consult with the elders and they spoke on behalf of the Igbo. For example, during the formation of ESN, it was this same youth Ohanaeze that said, "We are not in support of ESN." They didn't even consult with the elders. And it is led by Isiguzoro. He has joined the elder Ohanaeze now, and even is the Secretary General of the elder Ohanaeze. This guy, too forward though. He needs to learn to act with maturity. Meanwhile, Ife Etiri has elevated him to the point of becoming Secretary General for the men Ohanaeze. I hope we are safe. Hey, well, they said they promised to give Igbo credible election, and that is what they have done. According to them, again, a new leadership of the Ohanaeze has emerged, and it was in compliance with the constitution of Ohanaeze. They said they met all the requirements. That was their claim. As at the time of this report, they said we are still collecting results for other seats in the Ohanaeze, but the key leadership positions are ready, the ones they just announced. It started late that night and concluded in the morning. Many delegates participated through Zoom because of ban of large gathering owing to COVID-19. Anyway, the rest of the national Ohanaeze executive election result will be released after further verifications to ensure that the constitutional provisions were fully met, Ozobu said. Please add your comment. Tell us what you think about this new Ohanaeze leadership. Do you think Ohanaeze should be offered another opportunity? In the hearts of many Igbo youths who no more regard the organization, tell us what you think. Suspended Anambra monarch dies 7 days after governor's pardon. Obi Onitsha, what happened? Did you withhold his salary or the other camp? I don't even understand. Anyway, this is not a laughing matter, so I don't want to hear anybody laugh. The traditional ruler of Ibariam in Anambra East local government area of Anambra State, Igwe Nkelenzekwe, is dead. Anambra State Commissioner for Information and Public Enlightenment, Sidon Adenoba, who confirmed his death, said the monarch has been buried. Nzekwe was among the 13 monarchs suspended in August 2020 by the state government for traveling with that Monemi's roadman Ohanaeze to Abuja to visit the President Major General Muhammadu Buhari regime without permission from the state government. They went to report their governor, but Ngige pursued them back at Asoro Gate. Ngige was standing with Cain at Asoro Gate. So the state governor, Willie Obiano, had, however, on January 1, pardoned Nzekwe and 2 others, stating that the action was taken in the spirit of New Year. Obiano, na lie. It's not because of New Year. It was in the spirit of the coming Anambra gubernatorial elections, which is approaching, because it's this year. At least the Igwes can support your candidate who will cover up any of your mess. You must work hard, I know, to empty Ohanaeze's camp, because if his candidate, that's Ohanaeze's candidate, win, they will probe all the local government money you have been pocketing for many years. This is not 1 year, not 2 years, not 3 years. And they will also probe the pensioners' money for 4 years, the one you have been pocketing too. Because if pensioners are not paid, then you pocket the money. It is you that will pay them. Anyway, it was gathered that the monarch on January 4th celebrated Ofala festival to mark his 30th year. 30th year on the throne as monarch of Ibariam. Imagine. Somebody that has been on the throne 38 years was, for 30 years was somebody you went to even suspend before. These governors, I could just rule 4 years, some of them. Okay, and he was, the dead traditional ruler was the chairman of Traditional Ruler Council in Anambra North Senatorial District. Rest in peace, Igwe Nkelenzekwe, Igwe Ibariam. Rest in peace. Well, it seems I am going to end the show with talking about Ndi Igwe, traditional rulers. So let's explore the palace of the Obi of Onitsha. His Majesty Igwe Nnaemeka Alfred Ugochukwu Achebe is the traditional ruler of Onitsha, regarded as the Obi of Onitsha. The Obi of Onitsha is one of the highly esteemed and recognized traditional rulers in Nigeria. The current Obi of Onitsha was formerly a chancellor of the Kogi State University, and presently he is the chancellor of Ahmadu Bello University. The Obi of Onitsha is one of the influential traditional rulers in Nigeria. Onitsha is a commercial city in Anambra State, Nigeria. Tomorrow it will become Anambra State Biafra, or maybe depending on how Biafra is organized. Onitsha is located in the eastern bank of River Niger. And Onitsha is a commercial city notable for its river port and center of commerce and industry. It hosts the Onitsha Main Market, which is the largest market in Africa in terms of geographical size, population and volume of goods. The palace of Obi of Onitsha, also known as Imo-Obi, is the residence of the Igwe Nnaemeka Alfred Ugochukwu Achebe, the traditional ruler of Onitsha. The palace is located along Oka Road, Onitsha, Anambra State. And the palace is an eye-catcher. The splendor of the palace is so fascinating that it is a major tourist attraction, and it serves as a site for some festivals in Onitsha. As you can see, some of the beautiful pictures of the palace. This material regards the Palace of the Obi of Onitsha was written by Angel Rights. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get our update each time it drops. Azuka Oje. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.